Megastar Amitabh Bachchan has made some big revelation about his BSc score. Big B has revealed how much he scored in BSc after failing it once. He also said that he realized his mistake after attending one lecture. Big B, who is a graduate from Kirori Mal College at the University of Delhi, revealed on Kaun Banega Crorepati 16 that he only scored 42%. While revealing his score, he said, "I did BSc. Without knowing what it was, I scored well in science and hence applied for it." Big B shared that in the first lecture he understood that he made a big mistake. He further added he had always heard that there is a scope in science. In just 45, it changed everything. He also revealed that he failed the first time. Amitabh, who graduated with a Bachelor of Science degree in 1962, added, "First time I failed, then when I attempted with great difficulty, I scored 42%. It was in 1969 when Amitabh made his film debut as a voice narrator in the National Award-winning film Bhuvan Shom by Mrinal Sen. He then featured in the film Saath Hindustani in 1969 as an actor. The 81-year-old was then seen in Anand, Parwana, Reshma Aur Shera, Bawarchi, Bombay to Goa, Diwar, Sholay, Kabhi Kabhi, हेरा फेरी, अमर अकबर एंथनी, त्रिशूल, डॉन, मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, सुहाग, नसीब, लावारिस, नमक हलाल, मर्द, शराबी, शान, याराना and अग्निपथ. He took a break from acting in the 1990s and then he returned with मोहब्बतें, कभी खुशी कभी गम, आंखें, बागबान, खाकी, बंटी और बबली, चीनी कम, शूट आउट एट लोखंडवाला, पा, पीकू, Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva, and his most recent work is in Kalki 289880. Meanwhile, on the work front, Amitabh Bachchan and Rajinikanth are collaborating after 33 years of Vettaiyan. The last time they worked together was in 1991 on the film Hum. The duo have also shared screen space in Andha Kanoon and Giraftar. The makers of their upcoming film Vettaiyan have finally announced its release date. The film will hit big screens on October 10th. The production house Laika Productions shared the news on X along with a poster featuring Rajinikanth in an IPS uniform. The caption read, "Target locked, Vettaiyan is set to hunt in cinemas worldwide from October 10th, 2024. Superstar as Supercop." Vettaiyan has been written and directed by TJ. Now, the film will be released in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi and Kannada. Vettaiyan will clash at the box office with Surya's Kandua. The Siva directorial also features Disha Patni and Bobby Deol in key roles. Well, that's it for now. Stay connected for similar updates. Thank you.